How to fix two-factor authentication code not received on Instagram. So if you want to fix it, as you can see right here, I am logged out. What you can do in that case is to make sure that your do not disturb or your focus is turned off. Head over right here to your control center and you can see here the do not disturb option. Make sure that that is turned off. So what you can do is you can toggle this and then this will turn off. And that way, when Instagram tries to text you the verification code, you will be able to receive it. One option that you can do as well is to make sure that you are connected to a fast Wi-Fi connection. So by doing that, you should be able to actually get the code. And another thing that you can do is make sure that you have the phone number or the correct Gmail input. So on the phone number, make sure that you have the correct SIM card inserted on your phone. And on your Gmail right here, make sure that you have the correct Gmail that is actually connected to your account. And in that case, you should be able to receive right here the Instagram code for this case. So that's how you fix two-factor authentication code not received.